Welcome to the School of Management Studies at GIET University, Gunupur, where your future begins with excellence, innovation and global exposure.
GIET University, Gunupur is not just another university of India. It stands as a 27 years old institution exhibiting all-round excellence on all facets of education, for which it got the best quality certification from the Government of India and authorities as well.
School of Management Studies. Transform your ambition into impact with the School of Management Studies. Here, future business leaders and entrepreneurs are molded through a curriculum that blends traditional business acumen with contemporary global trends. Specialize in areas like finance, marketing, human resources, or operations management, and hone your skills through case studies, internships, and live projects. Our focus on ethical leadership and sustainable business practices prepares you to make a meaningful difference in the business world.
All such students get guaranteed campus placement. However, very good students get 3 to 5 jobs in campus placement, in CMM5 level companies, and also in product companies, where
विश्वविद्यालय GIET।
Education, industrial applications, self-sustainable, logical advancements, and entrepreneurship. The curriculum is designed keeping in mind the global competitive standards.
With a track record of excellent placements, we are not only just preparing our students for job, but also preparing them for their successful careers in national and global companies.
School of Management Studies, SMS, is an international level B school approved by AICTE New Delhi. SMS has been known for its flagging zeal for excellence and industry-oriented education. Its MBA program has helped the students to build on modern concepts in management and thinking in practical settings at the workplace.
Our curriculum offers 8 specializations, including human resource, finance, marketing, operations, business analytics, information technology management, and agriculture business, ensuring you to find the best path that suits your career goals.
Beyond academics, we have a vibrant campus life with plenty of opportunities like leadership skills, sports, and cultural events, ensuring you grow holistically.
तपभूमि आदर्शमय
विश्वविद्यालय
GIET विश्वविद्यालय
GIET
विश्वविद्यालय